Welcome to the channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. Today I'm going to do a video about this belt and my plans for it. But before we get into that, we will be back after this message. Welcome back, guys. Let's get into this video, shall we? Here is the belt. It has 5 leather pouches. And it has some numbers on the back. As you can see, I-16, which is the infantry. 1912, that's the year. And 516, I don't know what that means, but it has probably some significant meaning. But I had this belt for a couple of years, basically since I was a teenager. I bought this on a military thrift store. So I had in mind to do something of this belt. That is why I bought this at the first place. So, what is my plan for this belt? Well, my plan for this belt is I had intent to make a survival belt from it, which means I could fit a fire starter kit in this pouch, first aid kit in this one, and maybe a small survival fishing kit in this one. And you can have put some gloves in this pouch, and you can store a multi-tool and some cordage. It depends on your preferences and what you prefer to put in there. So this is my idea for this belt. So guys, what do you think about to make a survival belt of this one? Because I think that is a good idea. And it's made of leather. It is really sturdy, and this is actually used when we still used the Mauser. It is ammo pouches for the Mauser, 6.5 millimeters. So, well, you can use this reuse this for a better purpose. So, what is the best thing you can do then? A survival belt. That's it. So, please let me know in the comments what you think about this idea. And if you have other ideas on what I might put in this belt, let me know. And I will take your ideas and suggestions in consideration, and I will put them on my list and see what we can do. And at this moment, these are actually these are stiff. These have not been opened for a while. Probably need to, but as you can see, these is decent sized pouches, so you can fit a lot of things in these, which is really nice. I probably need to put some grease on these, so these will be a little bit more softer and more easy to use. And here's the nice thing, you have a nice little hook here, so you push this one down and you can hook some kuksa or whatever you need on this one, so that's really nice. And you have a loop here and a loop here, so that means you can have these attach a harness on this if you want to. But overall, I like this, and I hope I can make something good out of this belt, because I want this to come in use. So, what do you think, guys? So, that's all for today's video, guys, and thank you guys for watching and your support. I appreciate it. And don't forget, if you're new here, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos and go live. So, that's all for today's video, guys. Take care, stay safe, and don't forget, be part of the solution, not the problem. ShadowScoutSwede out.